August 25th, 2023. State of the Art Review. Review of Education. BERA. Title of the article: Critical Digital Literacies at School Level. A Systematic Review. This article is written by Lisa Ilomaki, Mina Lakala, Vera Kalunki, Darren Mundy, Mark Romero, Teresa Romeo, Anastasia Gossetti, Faculty of Educational Science, University of Helsinki, Helsinki, Finland. Faculty of Arts, Cultures and Education, University of Hull, Hull, UK. Digital Competence Area, Faculty of Psychology and Educational Sciences, Universitat Oberta de Catalunya, Barcelona, Spain. School of Education, University of Hull, Hull, UK. Theoretical background. The increased diversity and complexity of contemporary digital practices and processes has led to several researchers calling for a new, expanded forms of literacy. Since the notion of literacy can no longer refer merely to interactions with conventional texts, but also needs to include interactions with digital texts and other digital media. Literacy theorists have argued since the mid-1990s that conventional conceptualizations of reading and writing were no longer adequate to literacy pedagogy, should instead account for the burgeoning variety of text forms associated with information and multimedia technologies. New London Group, 1996, page 61. This shift signaled the growing popularity of a range of theories and concepts associated with the changing nature of literacies. See example given: Erstad et al., 2021, Ilomaki et al., 2016, Martinez Bravo et al., 2020. As such, various concepts and definitions have emerged over the past 2 decades in academic and policy-making publications, and this is indicative of the multifaceted and rapidly evolving nature of digital literacies. Although it is not possible to include all relevant conceptualizations of digital literacies and provide an exhaustive overview of the topic in this short review, we have looked at how the notion of literacy has evolved over the past 2 decades. Originally coined by Gilster, 1997, the concept digital literacy was used to describe the range of skills required to access, manage, and edit digital information, participate in online networks, and evaluate digital resources and services. Around the same time, the term multiliteracies was also introduced by the New London Group, 1996, to emphasize the need for a new approach to literacy pedagogy to respond to the changing social conditions, the multiplicity of communication channels, and the increasing cultural and linguistic diversity. Escope and Kalantzis, 2000, contended, a pedagogy of multiliteracies focuses on modes of representation much broader than language alone, and these modes differ according to culture and context and have specific cognitive, cultural, and social effects. Page 5. Furthermore, informed by the need to rethink literacy in the digital age, and because of the social, economic, political, and cultural factors that appeared to shape new practices, the concept of new literacies emerged in the early 2000s. See Lancashire and Noble, 2003, Liu et al., 2004. More specifically, it has been argued that the paradigmatic sense of new in relation to literacy is not concerned with new literacies as such, but rather with a new approach to thinking about literacy as a social phenomenon. Lancashire and Noble, 2003, page 24. In this sense, new literacies have been perceived to be multiple, multimodal, multifaceted, and deictic. They change as rapidly as digital technologies change, and they can be defined as the new social practices, skills, strategies, and dispositions required for personal, economic, and civic participation. Coiro et al. 2014, page 14. The concept of digital literacies has continued to evolve, and other concepts relating to digital literacy have also been used in academic research publications and policy making. For example, technology literacy, ICT literacy, and computer literacy have been used to refer to the technical competencies required for digital technology use. Although these terms are often tightly focused on specific ICT concepts and skills, and even specific computer software products, the strict technology emphasis has shifted over time to include the use of technologies for wider purposes. Wilson et al. 2015. Indeed, broader concepts such as digital competence are seen to have replaced previous one-dimensional concepts. Erstat et al. 2021, Golde 2019, Ilomaki et al. 2016. Furthermore, advances in mobile technologies and the widespread accessibility of faster internet have meant that literacy practices become ubiquitous, occurring anywhere, anytime. Males 2016. More recently, the notion of digital literacy has been perceived as being wider than technical skills and is now seen to include a cognitive and socio-emotional dimension, including problem solving in the digital environment. Martinez, Bravo et al. 2020.